I'm So Jin Kim. I'm from EUV Upgrade. My role is Upgrade Coordinator. I actually got employed back in Korea, my home country, and I worked there for 3 years, and then I moved to Hillsboro, which is my current location. Diversity of ASML really contributes a lot because collection of many different cultures will come out with a different solution to issues. You can drag the best result out of all different opinions. My biggest challenge in my role is multitasking. You need to support the engineers in the fab, but at the same time, you need to respond to the customer's needs and any other stakeholders' needs, and that all sometimes come to at one point. So you are gonna have to multitask. So that's one challenge that you need to face every day, but it's also exciting. The future of customer support at ASML is bright.